Alrighty guys, what's happening? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Belkin Classic cover by Belkin for iPad mini. This specific case works for iPad mini in the first, second, and third generation. I believe that's it. But yeah, I got an iPad not too long ago, and first thing I was thinking is I really need a case for this thing. So I wanted to get a good one that not only looks really good, but also is durable and it's going to last me a long time, and also, first and foremost, protect my iPad. So I'm really glad I got this one. I've been loving it. First off, just look at this thing. It's a really nice, sleek look all the way around. And that's what caught my eye, I think, to begin. Very slim, also very lightweight. It doesn't add much bulk to the iPad, which I really dig. I think that's, Apple's big claim to fame is how slim and how sleek all their products look. And so I figured, why not get a case that complemented that? So that's what I wanted to do. Another thing is this particular cover is very form-fitting. Have these little flexible silicone corners right here, and those go all the way around and then kind of moves to a more plastic, harder piece in the back. So when you slip your iPad in, all you have to do is move these corners around corners of your iPad, and really helps to kind of just lock it in there and make sure that it stays safe. Also, having these rubber edges and these plastic edges on both sides make sure that it creates a gap between your iPad and the ground on the sides, and also if it were to ever fall on its face, you have it creates a small gap between the screen of the iPad or the face of the iPad and the ground as well. Not only that, but they also help you to stand your iPad up at multiple angles for viewing. You can do a ton of angles, and I'll kind of show you that in a minute. It's actually super versatile, surprisingly enough, and the amount of angles that you can stand this thing up at, they really put some thought into that, so I thought it was cool. It opens up very easily, so you can see it's literally just like opening a really thin book. It's essentially like a really thin hardcover book. And then when you close it, you can hear it. Kind of has these soft magnets keep it closed when you're not using your iPad. So that's cool. I think that's just, a nice little added safety feature that I'm happy they put in there. In the back, first thing you'll notice when you turn it around is there are a few cutouts. So you have one cutout up here for your camera. Some generation iPads have speakers right here. Mine doesn't. But if yours does, then there's a speaker cutout right here, which is nice, so you can still hear your device well. And then they also cut out a hole in the top for your headphones. Their little aux input. There's also a hole right here, or a cutout part for your power button and for the speakers, or mine particularly at the bottom, as well as the plug, or the input for your power. So it's very practical, very usable. As for the feel of it, it's very, very soft all the way around. This is a nice leather right here, and this is a really just, soft cloth material on the front. Yeah, it just feels great. As for the actual angles that you can put this thing at, so this is one way you could use it. Great for viewing, and you can really kind of back that up to any point you want to get the best angle from wherever you're sitting. I also thought this was kind of cool, and I actually just started using it like this. Let me see if I can even get this with one hand. If you fold this thing under, like that, you can put it there, and this is nice. It's at just a very, very slight angle, and this can be used for, typing. You want to put this at your desk or something and be using it and not have it be flat, or not have it be at too much of an angle where it's difficult to type. And it's nice that there are different ways to fold it. But yeah, overall, I mean, if you're looking to get a case for your iPad mini, I would highly recommend this one. Belkin makes a lot of cases. This is the classic case. Comes in a nice kind of minimal style dark gray. So, you know, I would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a protective case for their iPad mini. Alrighty guys, take it easy.